In this video, I'll guide you through how to export a report in Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will help you easily export reports and get the data you need in no time. First things first, you'll want to open the report you're interested in exporting. To do this, navigate to the Reports tab within your Salesforce dashboard. Once there, look through the list of available reports and select the one you need. Clicking on the report will open it up, displaying all the data you're looking to export. Now that you have your report open, it's time to move on to exporting it. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Edit button. Next to it, there's a small drop-down menu arrow. This little arrow is your gateway to the export options. Click on it to reveal a menu with several choices. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Export option. Click on Export, and you'll be presented with a few more decisions to make. These options are designed to help you customize how you want your report to be exported and ensure you get the data in the format that best suits your needs. The first decision you'll make is choosing your export view. You have two options here, Formatted Report or Details Only. The Formatted Report option will export your report as it appears on the screen, complete with any formatting, groupings, or summaries you've set up. This is ideal if you want to preserve the exact layout and style of your report. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more raw, data-centric approach, the Details Only option will strip away any formatting and provide you with just the data. This is great for further data manipulation or analysis outside of Salesforce. Once you've chosen your export view, the next step is to select the file format for your exported report. Salesforce offers a couple of different file extensions to choose from, including XLSX and .csv. The XLSX format is perfect if you're planning to work with your data in Excel, as it maintains the spreadsheet format. The .csv format, however, is a great choice if you need a plain text file that can be imported into a wide range of other applications. Pick the one that best fits your needs. After you've made these selections, all that's left to do is download your report. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either download automatically to your default download location, or you might be prompted to choose a download location. Either way, once the download is complete, you'll have your Salesforce report right at your fingertips, ready for any further analysis or sharing you need. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a report from Salesforce, ready to be utilized in whatever way you see fit. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and happy exporting.